that shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my dick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, that's it. And I see you, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you tonight. I got my teachers down in Georgia, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my dick up to the north, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Kayla Amanda Show. Sorry I didn't do my face or hair, but I look still cute because natural beauty. But anyway, today's my nephew's birthday, and so my sister's coming over, and later on my niece and nephew will be here so we can help celebrate. And I was really just thinking about how we celebrated his last birthday on the vlog, and I was just thinking about how so much has changed since then. I was vlogging on my phone back then, for one. I was so brand new to vlogging. It was just so foreign to me, and now I feel I don't know, the growth. I could just really feel the growth when I think back on that video. And shout out to you if you've been here since then. But yeah, it's just amazing to me. I was living in a different apartment back then. I was eating meat. We had a whole smorgasbord of seafood on that video, and now I'm just wow, my life has changed so much in a year. And it's just amazing to me, thinking back on that video from his birthday last year, and just thinking about his birthday this year and how this video will be. Wow, I'm proud of myself, and I'm happy. And the sun, it's the sun, mind you. We're in my apartment. Yes, baby, that natural light, we love to see it, okay? But yeah, so I just wanted to do a little intro before everybody gets here and it gets hectic. And also, I be forgetting to tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow, and you know, I would love to keep continuing to put out content for you all. So please, if you like this video, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, okay? So we're not gonna hold you too long for the intro, but we're gonna have fun this week on this weekly vlog, okay? Okay, love you guys. Okay guys, as promised, we are with the whole gang. Say hey, gang. Happy birthday, Jordan.
Thank you.
Tell them where we going.
We're going to the beach.
Hey.
Beach.
It must be nice having a summer birthday. Meanwhile, us October babies, us March and February babies, gotta suffer through the cold Chicago months. It's okay though, because we finally, after years of suffering, got a little summer baby. Well, he ain't a baby no more. As you can tell, he's 14 now. Can y'all believe that I was a TT 14 years ago? You would have never guessed it, I know, but yeah. And can you believe that she was a mother 14 years ago? How you doing? Oh, okay. She's a mother. That's her baby. Okay. What you got to say, Brio? I know you got something to say.
Hey, y'all.
I'm so weak. Okay, I guess she didn't have much to say, but that's enough, I guess. She just has to make her little appearance. But okay, we about to head to the beach. The arm I'm carrying, y'all, is also holding a heavy tote bag with no sunscreen because I forgot. And we're waiting on the bus, so I don't have time to go back and get it. But yeah, my arm is tired, and I will talk to y'all at the beach. We're actually going out to eat first at Shore Club, so I'll give you a little tour of that, and then each time. Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.
Like we always do it this time, I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on this TV, mama. I'ma put shit down. Hey, 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 hey. Now I go for mine, I got to shine.
Hello, my bountiful, beautiful Beluga whales. Oh my God, can y'all tell I'm in a silly mood? Maybe that's because I'm on the beach. Yes, I'm still in Chicago and I'm on the beach. Yeah. How do y'all like the ponytail? Love it or hate it? Be honest with me. Y'all don't have to lie. I won't be offended. Comment below. But yeah, we're all on the beach. Look at these kids looking like they having a miserable time. Why y'all look so sad? Oh. Oh, you ready for your frozen strawberry daiquiri? Okay. How you feel?
I feel hot and happy.
Hot and happy. Okay, that's not bad. How you feel, Miss Mama's?
Like the main event.
Okay, period. All right, y'all. Well, oh, y'all still close. We ordered the kids strawberry daiquiris, but they're white. I'm so confused. If you're a strawberry daiquiri, then why are you white?
So if you're from Africa, why are you white?
It tastes like what?
Applesauce daiquiri.
Applesauce daiquiri?
It's good though.
So what would you get it out of 10? Rated? 3? That's terrible. So you hate it.
Well, I get.
What the hell is that, a firework? I hope not. I mean, it can't be. So it's a gunshot? Should we run? No. Jordan, what you give it out of 10?
A 9.
A 9. Okay, so you like yours, Brio. You need to take yours back.
Well, I give it a 5.
Yeah, that's cute. Okay, you still need to send it back. That's not a good score.
It's under 7.
Stop drinking it if you don't like it.
It's not that. It just.
Do you hate it or like it?
Look, 1 for effort, 2 for charm, 3 for blending,
3 for blending.
4 for effort, 5.
You already said effort and trying.
4 for.
So send it back and get something you like, cause you crazy. Talking about 1 for blending, 1 for effort, 1 for trying, 1 for effort again. All right, here come our drink. Okay. All right.
Okay, and I totally realized I meant to say banana daiquiri.
Okay, yes you did. Is it okay if I get you on the vlog on my YouTube?
Hi. But yeah, do you guys like it? Not really.
It's a banana daiquiri.
I could get you something else. You want like a Magmal meal, a virgin one, or a virgin blackberry mojito?
Are they frozen?
Those are cocktails.
You want a cocktail?
Yes.
Or you want a frozen?
Which one? Blackberry. Okay.
Blackberry mojito? All right. You want to taste your drink on the vloggy? On the vloggy. We have a rosé all day over here. Ooh, I'm sorry, a frosé all day. Ooh, okay, out of 10?
Is that a virgin?
Ooh, okay.
Is that a virgin?
No, it is not. No, it's a slut. Oh my God, I am so funny. Okay, let's see. I can drink mine for y'all too. I zoomed in on accident. Ooh, I did it again. Oops, I did it. Smile, baby. Okay, I have here a Chicago Vice. Start over, it's a video. It's a little messy. Cheers, guys. Jordy. Oh, cutie. Cheers. I taste.
Rain freeze.
Woo. Woo. Cold. I don't know why I be trying to drink those drinks like I can take it. I can't. I simply can't. They're so frozen. That's the point. But I feel a lot cooler. Cooler than the other side of it. Thank you. You're welcome. When I get... Oh, I think I gotta clean my lens, y'all. I'll be back.
I'm very excited. I know it's gonna taste so good. This song about Cali. Or this two.
Dang.
It's not sweet, it's just sour.
That's
But
tough.
this one's sweet, not sour. So maybe.
Oh, okay. She making it a what's that gonna be, a blackberry daiquiri now? Blackberry banana?
Nice.
It do, it's cute. Show the camera. Oh, she's got a concoction there, you guys. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, okay. Garnish. Okay, future bartender.
That's what y'all used to call her? Princess Tinder.
I am weak.
Yeah,
Princess Tinder. Brielle, you gotta taste the new drink.
Okay.
Here we go. Like that.
Okay, we got a Bubba 5. Yay! Woo, 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 woo. We finally got, I guess it's a winner, right? All right, everyone's happy with their drink. It took several tries for Brielle only, but hey, you know, she's living and learning, okay? She's living and learning. She's got to figure out what she likes. So she's got to try different things, right? Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Breezy? Yep. Okay? We all living and learning, one day at a time. Okay. We didn't order any food yet, so good thing I ate a banana before we left. So I'm good. Okay, y'all, so we ordered jackfruit sliders, I think. I don't know, whatever it was. They were out of it the last time I was here, and they're out of it again today. So we ordered Thai chicken lettuce wraps minus the chicken, and they don't even put the wraps together for you. So it's basically a plate. Let me show you, actually. It is a plate of cucumbers with a wrap for the lettuce and... My nephew laughing at me. And a coleslaw with some sort of dressing. And we had to ask for the side of avocado, which they probably would charge us for. Basically a deconstructed salad, I don't know. So we'll see how much of a fool I am when the bill comes. Brielle had lobster tacos that I'll let her tell you.
The lobster tacos were disgusting. I would never recommend this restaurant in a million years. The drinks were, and everything else.
So worse than they're disgusting.
Thank you.
Disgusting.
Your birthday boy, what you got to say?
So, the drink was bomb. The lobster taco, that wasn't good. It was okay.
What, right out of 10?
6, 5.
Oh, 6 ain't bad. 5 is, it's not the worst score. She had the same thing I did. The drink? Oh, you like the drink. So basically what we gathered from Shore Club is come for the ambiance, the vibes, the beach. Well, your kids might get lost. We did hear a lost kids announcement.
They got found.
But they did get found.
And now the beach is closed.
And now the beach is closed. We didn't get a chance to go to the beach yet. Well, we can't get in the water because lifeguards are off duty. But I think we can still get on the sand. We probably can still get in the water, but it's illegal. But we do illegal stuff every day. So, yeah. It's been an eventful dinner. I don't know, whatever. We'll probably have to eat again when we get home, but that's all for now. All right, Miss Breezy Deezy. Woo! Okay, how you feel, mermaid?
I feel good.
You feel good that you finally got in the water? Okay. Beach babe. You love the beach?
Yep.
Yep. This Mr. Cool is not getting in the water.
Yeah, I'm an adult now.
Oh. Adults don't get in the water? I guess that means we can't get in. Oh, look at that man paddleboarding or whatever the hell he doing. What is that called?
Paddleboarding.
That's paddleboarding? Okay, check him out.
Uh-oh, dog fight. Ooh, they don't like that man.
Yeah, y'all, this beach is packed. You can't tell. Cause that way, cause of the sun. But yeah. Welcome to the famous North Avenue Beach in Chicago. Oh boy.
Oh, shit.
Thumbnail.
Do I let you take some pictures?
I guess I can take my dress off. I wear a bikini, y'all. I know, right? Very unlike me. Well, I guess y'all never seen me in a bikini appropriate setting. Hold on, I'll bring y'all back out in a second. Oh my God, I'm nude in public. Y'all. Upside down bikini gang. And also backwards bikini gang. Wearing bikinis all the way wrong since 2016. You're a girl. But yeah, it's so nice out. I'm really enjoying this. I don't know why I don't come here more often. This beach is like 8 minutes from my house. Wow, really like saying that? Like really saying that the beach is 8 minutes from my house and I never come? I gotta change that. I'm changing that, actually. I'm changing that. I'm changing that starting now. Y'all catch me at the beach, doll. Beach bum. Beach bum in full effect.
Cause I can't save you.
Like hell. And there ain't no lifeguard here. Look at Brio all the way out there.
That's far.
It is far. Jordan, you gonna have to save your sister.
Be the main one crying.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like some TT Brio drowning.
Oh hell no. You know I'm the last one that can save her. I can't even get up.
You saved me.
Huh?
Did you save me?
You went 10 years ago when I had good knees. Oh.
No, Jordan, don't let her go that far. Jordan, Brio!
Brio!
Come back!
Come back to shore!
You fighting anybody?
She's insane. With no supervision. Jordan, go get her.
She don't look safe.
Is she okay? I see. Okay. Okay, arms. Okay, Baywatch. We see you. She said, I don't need no lifeguard.
They got a point.
I don't need no lifeguard. I got security in the club. Wait, she just went underneath. Okay.
They got a pool.
Huh?
They got a pool.
So she know what she doing, basically.
Yeah.
Don't underestimate her is what she's saying.
She know how to float.
Where's she at?
Underwater.
Oh, there she go.
Step on all the way.
I heard you was looking for me. Bitch, here I go. I heard you bitches was looking for me.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Hello, my babies. I'm sorry I didn't vlog today, but I got my period yesterday, and so I was cramping so badly this morning. Like usually I try not to take Midol until I kind of see like how bad the cramps are, but today I took them bitches first thing and laid in bed all day. My niece and nephew and my sister left in the afternoon, but I was still in bed when they left, and I really barely got out of bed. I'm having tea for dinner. Let me show you. I didn't eat anything all day. Like I didn't have any energy. And how many people knew tea lights were actually for tea? That's something I found out like last year. So yeah, I'm having me some sleepy time tea. But yeah, I didn't eat today. I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna just have this tea for dinner and call it a night. I'm so tired. This is a tough period. One of the worst I feel like I've had in a few months. Like, comment below if you have like remedies for cramps, specifically cramps. I think that's my worst symptom. Like, I be in shambles. Like the way I get period cramps, I be like, how do other women live like this? Like they can't be going through what I'm going through. Like what? Or they are just amazing actresses and they need to go to Hollywood, because I cannot function on my period. I can't even function. So yeah, if I do get hungry, I'm gonna probably have me some grapes or something small. Nothing for real, 'cause nothing even sounds good. Like my stomach, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. So yeah, so it is 10:05. Hey, it's my birthday. October 5th, like a fifth of liquor. Don't forget. But yeah, it's 10:05. It's Monday, and I didn't do anything today, but tomorrow is gonna be hot. I don't have any plans. Probably just do laundry. Oh, maybe, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to put those books up on the wall tomorrow, so we can have something to do. Okay, bet. I love talking to y'all, because we be having conversations. Y'all just be a little late to the conversations, because, you know, it'd be a week later. But still, I be talking. Y'all be talking, and I be talking to y'all, and y'all be talking back to me, and I love it. I love it here. Don't leave me. Oh yeah, always forget to say this, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here, okay? Period. Because baby, why not? Support your girl, help your girl out. I don't want to go back to work, okay? I really don't. Also, it's really, really hot. Like, I'm sweating. Literally sweating on my nose. It's like 90 degrees outside. I didn't go outside today, but I could just tell. So yeah, it's a chill night. I don't want to even get y'all to think we doing something tonight. Oh, and we can hang that picture up. Right, okay, so we're gonna hang the picture up and we're gonna hang the books up, okay? Hold me to it tomorrow, all right? Or is it laundry tomorrow and then books the next week? Either way, we got a week. We got a whole week together, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. Have a good night. See you in the morning. Bye.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple packs, ayy, that's a fat, ayy. Throw it back, ayy. Throw it back, ayy. Money, champion. Ayy, since I began. Funny how you said it was the end. Then I went in it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. On run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them man lay low. You never really good for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul.
Yo. And vlogging.
Oh shit.
Say hey.
Period. You want me to call you back?
No, I'm just putting together a
Oh,
hamper.
your girl look cute.
Thank you.
Period. Come on, Tony. Tell.
Okay.
It's looking like.
Okay, that's the sun.
Yeah.
We hug and yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. When we cuddle, sure I do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. For your eyes, man, I can do the same. All of this, la la la. How long will time want it? For your eyes, man, I can do the same. All of this, la la la. Can you kiss me? Kiss me. Can you kiss me? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Kiss me. I feel like fucking something, but we could be corny, fucking sugar. I ain't no dummy. I like to say what if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish, then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public, I'm giving you hundreds. Fuck it, something we just gotta get into. Same first, middle, last on the wisdom too. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice, and that dinner just like visit too. And when we French, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. You want lipstick, lip gloss, he's too. Kiss me. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. For your eyes, man, I can do the same. All of this, la la la. How long will time want it? For your eyes, man, I can do the same. All of this, la la la. Can you kiss me?
Hello my beautiful bumblebees. Today is Wednesday. Bloody hell. Today is Wednesday, July 28th. I'm practicing my British accent. They don't say their T's or their R's. R's? But then if the word starts with R, you have to say like really. You have to like really emphasize the R if it's in the beginning of the word. But if it's not, then you just don't even bother. You don't even bother with the R. So yeah. Also, you don't say your T's, like they don't say British, like us Americans. They say British. I'm from Britain. Or oh, and the THs are F's. So you don't say brother, you say brother. Or V's, I guess V's. Yeah. Brother or why are you bothering me? Or think instead of think. Think of your non. Shout out to Chloe. Chloe off Too Hot to Handle. She was like, instead of trying to have sex with each other, just think of your non. Think of your non. Okay, y'all. So enough British accent for the morning. I just came on here real quick because I'm having coffee. This cup is empty. I'm about to go get a refill. But my apartment is kind of a mess because I did laundry yesterday and I just the clothes weren't dry when I put them out the dryer, so I kind of let them like finish drying, air drying all over. So I have to put those clothes away, which is fine. Ooh, this is not a good look. Lighting's back there. Sorry y'all, I'm going to the kitchen. But damn, it's dark. Okay, hold on, let me get some coffee. Okay, so my friend Beatty is coming over later at 3 actually, so I don't have that much time. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:47 p.m.
So I got 2 hours basically to clean up and to get myself ready because we're doing a male friend rates my Shein swimsuits video. We're gonna shoot that today. So yeah, I gotta get cute. I gotta get this place cute. You know, I got work to do. So yeah, I just wanted to check in real quick with y'all, let y'all know I'm filming that. So after you finish watching this, go watch that, okay? Because it's all part of the stream today. But yeah, don't miss that video. And thanks for watching this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you. But yeah, so I'll holler at y'all probably later on. Probably when Beatty gets here, or at least after he leaves. After we finish filming. So okay, love you guys so much. Bye. Okay, y'all, we just finished filming the friend rates my outfits, male friend, and as you can see, my hair is messed up because I had to try on, I don't know, 10, 12, 15, 20 outfits. I don't know, a lot. But Beatty's here.
What up, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. James B. Official. Gang, 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 gang. What's up, gang?
Period.
What's up, Tyler Gang?
Taylor Gang. Tyler Gang.
What you call your subscribers? You got a name yet?
No, I don't. I be calling them whatever cute name comes to mind.
Y'all.
I do be saying y'all. What up, y'all?
I don't got COVID, y'all. I swear.
You sure?
I'm sure. Not too sure on the vlog. See, you just been embarrassing me all day.
What?
Y'all, my watch fell off. And she gonna keep it in there, so when y'all see it, go back to this part. I was so embarrassed. And the way I looked up at you, I was like, I'm like, gee, please tell me if I keep it in there. But I know how she gonna, I know how she edits. She gonna keep that shit in there. Put a sound effect behind it and make it even more.
So, but I know how she edit. First of all, don't act like y'all know my style.
Sit up. I'm like,
Oh, right. right. The posture.
Hunchback or Notre Dame.
I'm trying to get in the sun, but the sun is not trying to get in
Bro,
me.
it's the sun. He going away.
He is
I
going.
need to clock it out for the rest of the day.
Aww. My hair, I can't get over it. My hair, it did move. I need some Gorilla Glue. So yeah, we was in here cracking mad jokes during the rating Shein haul. But if you didn't watch that, or if you're not gonna watch that after this, you are sorely missing out because it's hilarious.
It's gonna be funny, y'all.
It is gonna be funny.
Stay away from the blue. That's all I'm saying.
If you know, you know.
That shit was a mess.
Okay, y'all. So I guess we about to go to the store. James wants some snacks.
From my house, not for right now. This is my house. Cause I don't have snacks in the house. I don't plan on leaving my house until Fridays.
I ain't leaving my house till I come back from. Till I go on vacation.
Oh damn. You
I'm
got
broke.
groceries?
I do got groceries.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, I gotta eat them groceries before they go bad, and I ain't got no money. I gotta spend island dollars.
Man, don't nobody got no money, y'all. I don't know who y'all think got money, but I'm telling y'all right now, the people that you think got money don't have it. I ain't gonna lie to you. And if they do, it's only enough for them. I just snapped.
You did snap.
Because I can't even this ain't my vlog. I can snap if I want to. If another one of my siblings asks me for something, I don't know who they think got money, but it ain't me. I just paid my gas bill, $200, and I literally.
I just paid my gas bill.
I slept the rest of the day because I was so like.
How much was it?
$200 because I don't pay it until the second month.
Oh.
Yeah, so it just add up. But you know, like it's the summertime, so my air always on.
I don't got a gas bill, so I don't know.
But I'm saying like the air always on, so it's like you using more like gas.
But my air is electric.
Mine's is gas.
How?
Central, because it go through the furnace.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Wow. I ain't know.
So the bill was at my neck. After I paid it, I just went to sleep.
$200.
I'm sorry, I love everybody, but when I got it, I promise you I got y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the thing about being like a sibling to like younger kids and like not even kids, like just an older sibling. Everybody think you got it, especially because you live on like they think you living good, you eat good. Now she go. Now who got COVID?
Right, gotta go.